Hey guys, today I will talk about US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. I will talk about the US dollar before the non-farm payrolls, average hourly earnings, and unemployment rate. So high impact events. So the US data should move the markets, should bring high volatility, sharp movements. So I will talk about US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, about a new long opportunity of buy, about a buying zone. Demand zone. Read disclaimer here, please read it, and you can send an email to support if you have questions. So let's take a look. Economic calendar, non-farm employment change, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings as high impact events. Guys, today the fundamentals should move the markets today, and that's why let's take a look. US dollar, Singapore dollar, massive sell-off. Okay, massive sell-off after failing to stay above 1.3556. It has moved sideways in the short term, sideways movement range, and yeah, it has reached this zone. Potential supply zone. Yeah, and after registering only for false breakout here, okay, a false breakout from this range, technically guys, when you have something like this, a range pattern, okay, this range was seen maybe as a potential upside continuation pattern, but false breakout, which it has signaled an imminent breakdown, because here false breakdown, okay, it has signaled a potential rally towards 1.3556, and this false breakout here, it has signaled potential downside movement towards maybe this support again, but it has also signaled that maybe the buyers are exhausted. It has signaled strong sellers, strong downside movement, and right now it has ignored here the medium line, okay, the medium line, and as you can see here on the 1 hour, it has reached a demand zone, okay, a demand zone, and personally I would keep an eye also on this on the former low here, 1.3427, okay, because here after reaching this zone it could try to rebound, only because the dollar index tries to rebound as well, okay, after its sell-off. Personally, I'm still keeping that pending order, USD long, potential USD long on the euro US dollar, and here guys, staying above the former low, okay, staying above the former low, and printing or developing a bullish pattern here may signal a potential rebound, okay. That's why personally I will keep an eye also on this market, also on this pattern. Yeah, maybe the price action already developed this potential falling wedge pattern, a potential bullish pattern, a potential chart formation, which could announce a new leg higher, but only if the price stays above 1.3427. Right now it challenges the immediate downtrend line. So we need confirmation. We are in a buying zone, but we need confirmation, only because I've told you, high impact events, the markets will be moved by the economic data, and in my opinion, better than expected US data could boost the US dollar, and could force maybe the currency pair to turn to the upside, to come back at least towards this zone. And only poor economic data should force maybe the US dollar versus the Singapore dollar maybe to drop also below 1.3427, maybe to challenge the next demand zone here, from above this former low, 1.340909, okay. So right now falling wedge pattern as a bullish pattern, as a potential upside reversal pattern in the short term, and personally I will keep an eye on this pattern as well, and I will try to catch a potential new long after the economic data. because right now I still have I already have a pending order in US dollar. Thank you guys. So don't forget that the economic data could really shake the markets, could bring high volatility on all markets. Risk disclaimer here, please read it. And YouTube, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can hit the link below this video if you want to join the VIP groups. Bye bye.